Yeah, what's up YouTube, back again, another video for you, and this one is regarding this less than £100, absolutely amazing carry-all camera backpack with a hard case built in for your drone. How's that? Look at this. I mean, the amount of pockets it's got are unbelievable. Hang on. Really, this bag you can literally fit probably 3 to 4 camera bodies, enough lenses to keep you going for a year or more easy. We've got the main one here, lots of carrying space for all your equipment and memory cards. We've got this compartment here. It's just so well made. Everything's nice and sturdy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lenses and a camera there, not a problem. And then in this one here, it also comes with a small carry case if you just wanted to use something. Wait there, we'll show you that in a minute. And then we've got this one here. You can literally, you know, it's immense. It's absolutely immense what you can fit in this. So many pockets, so many pockets everywhere. One of the best bags I have purchased, seriously, in a long time. It's waterproof. It comes with a waterproof case, zip pockets galore. There's storage everywhere. It also takes a, you know, your laptop up to 17-inch at the back. One of the sides here, just in this one here. There goes your laptop into there. We've got these side pockets here, straps. It's so comfortable as well to wear. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the main feature I bought this for was the hard case, separate package or separate area for your drone. It was just unbelievable. Anyway, so it's the Endurax photography camera bag, extra large size, so well made. It should have been, you know, a lot more than the price I paid for it. You know, you can put your tripods on the side, everything you need. It's just everything you're going to need for a camera bag, seriously. And like I was saying, also included, that fits in that one there, is this carry pouch if you just wanted something smaller for the afternoon, or you know, you just go taking something out, it fits around your waist. Again, camera body, memory card place there, everything you need. Honestly, it's one of the best, well, it is the best camera bag I have seen for less than £100. And yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. You get all this, everything. Definite win. Okay, just a quick video. Buy yours on Amazon as well. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.